BTMS Center Cebu, CSK sites.
CSK is 1 to BTMS.
Sir, going down, channel 1 to. BTMS Cebu, CSK sites.
Quiet sir, quiet.
Roger sir, magandang umaga sir. MV CSK size reporting 0920 Hotel Hivap Angkor, Talisay, Anchorage. Proceeding kami sir ng GMC Port. Call sign Delta Uniform Hotel 5479. Forward draft 4.5 meters, aft draft 5.0 meters, air draft 21 meters, cargo on board 1,742.879 metric tons US solvent extracted soybean meal. Next port, GMC port. Total crew on board 16 including master. Over.
Paulit ako sir, Hibap Angkor.
Sir, Hibap Angkor 0920 Hotel. Over.
Kailan ka nag-drop Angkor sir sa Talisay?
Roger, nag-drop Angkor kami Talisay Anchorage August 7, 2024. Drop Angkor time 1910 Hotel. Anchorage coordinates latitude 10 degrees 14.201 minutes north, longitude 123 degrees 51.519 minutes east. Over.
Copy your message sir. Voice number sir, voice number.
Here, voyage number 20-Alpha. Over.
Vessel type sir, vessel type.
Sir, vessel type cargo vessel. Over.
Copy your message, CSK is. Motor sir, outbound vessel, si Transition 12. Transition 12 sir, vicinity per 1. Si Ocean Jet 3, is approaching Lawis, motor for safety sir, over.
Sir, copy on that sir. Si Transasia outbound. Kopya sir.